Well, I'm in the car.
Morning, Dave.
Hello there. How are you, Joel?
Good, mate. What's your expectations for the day?
No idea, actually. I'm quite excited.
It's a bit wet.
It's a bit wet. It looks amazing out here, and I don't know what to expect.
You plan on getting bogged?
We'll try.
Yeah.
Hopefully not.
We'll get it
Not
out.
supposed to, right?
That's it.
No, I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be great.
Morning, Rob.
G'day,
How
Joel.
you going? It's a bit wet. What are you expecting to get out of the day?
I just want to learn more about my capability with the T5 that I've got.
Yeah.
They're a great vehicle in principle, but
That's
I'm
yours
not sure.
behind you.
It is, yeah.
You got a little lift on that?
Little lift, about an inch and a bit.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
And you've had that for how long?
About 4 years.
And have you done much off-road four-wheel drive?
Not a real lot, no. And I want to actually do around Australia or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Oh, perfect prep for it.
Yeah, no, fantastic. Thanks for having
Thanks,
us,
Rob.
Joel.
Rob, how'd you find today? We got you before, you were nervous. And how do you feel now about taking your van out on the dirt?
Yeah, no, it was fantastic, Joel. It was a great venue, and we luckily with the weather it all held together. But yeah, learned heaps, and sure, you know, took a bit of paint off here and there, but that's what it was all about. But really enjoyed it, and really interesting to see the capability of the T5, T6.
Yeah. We can't all keep up with Dave and
No,
Peter, but
no, that's right.
you feel pretty comfortable now that
Yeah, I do.
you get
I
out
do.
there
And certainly
hit the hills?
the beauty about Jeff is he pushes the safety side of it all the time, and that's important too.
Yep.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Thanks, Rob.
Thanks for having me.
Brendan, how did you find today? You were very, I've got to say, you were very slow coming into everything at the start, but looked a lot more confident at the end.
Oh, by a long way, yeah.
Yep.
No, it was very exciting. I never would have done it on my own, some of those hills or down them steep descent, and the Volkswagen just really, really good.
So you got the long wheelbase.
Long wheelbase, ordinary tyres.
I felt for you at the start. You were a little bit behind everyone else because they got the short wheelbase, and you were manoeuvring over those by the end of it.
Yeah.
But you were doing great at the end of it.
No, even with no underbody protection, it seemed to have enough clearance.
Yeah.
Very, very impressive.
Nice one. Thanks, Brendan.
With the 4MOTION course, meet expectations?
Yes, it was terrifying at the beginning, but by the end it was, I got much more comfortable with it, and it was great. Learned a lot about what my car can do, and I feel a lot more confident now going off-road.
Oh, that's great. Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks, mate.